My name is Julien Moutte. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Bentley Systems. So at Bentley Systems, we create software products for engineers that are designing, building, and operating infrastructure assets. And by doing so, we like to say that we are helping advance infrastructure for a better world. Infrastructure, when it's being built, when it's being designed, when it's being operated, there's a lot of data that is generated. Bringing all of that data together is constructing what we call the infrastructure intelligence. And it's more important than ever to have this infrastructure intelligence available to engineers so that they can do their best work. The way we make that data available to those engineers is by creating digital twins, which are a virtual replica to a physical asset, and we keep the replica always up to date with the physical asset so that you can understand and work with that infrastructure intelligence in the best possible way. Our sector is concerned, and rightfully so, about the usage of their proprietary data for artificial intelligence. The mission that we have here at Bentley Systems is to make the benefits of AI available to those designers and engineers while respecting our principles to protect that data. But we believe that this is an approach that is going to help our users understand how the data is being used, have control on when that data is being used, but also make the best of that past data while still making sure that they are generating accurate and safe designs. And we want to make sure that AI is working as a companion to the designer and engineers of our tools so that our tools can enforce those engineering goals and make sure we create safe designs.